Hello and welcome to the English class. Today we will learn lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is The Little Girl. The Little Girl is written by Catherine Mansfield. As far as the author is concerned, Catherine Mansfield was a prominent modernist writer who was born and brought up in New Zealand. She wrote short story and poetries. The little girl, as the title suggests, refers to the main character of the story who goes by the name Kezia. Now, coming to the introduction of the lesson, the story is about the relationship between a strict father and his daughter. Initially, the father is shown as a very hardworking and a strict father, showing his anger when the daughter puts an obstacle in his work without knowing it. However, in the end, the girl's perception of her father changes when her mother is hospitalized and her father takes care of her with love and sympathy. Now, coming to the characters of the lesson, talking about them, the first central character is Kezia. She is the daughter who is very afraid of her father at the beginning. So, Kezia's perception changes at the end due to care taken by her father in mother's absence, that you will see in the lesson. So the next central character is Kezia's father. So now Kezia's father, a hard-working and strict disciplinarian, a person to be feared and avoided, whose tender side is revealed at the end of the story. You will see how Kezia's father tender sides, gentle side is revealed in the end of the lesson. Now, coming to the summary of the lesson, the little girl, Kezia, who was a very innocent girl and she was afraid of her father. She always wanted to avoid meeting her father. So she felt relief when her father went out of the house as his presence made her very uncomfortable. So, out of fear, Kezia used to stammer in front of her father, whereas with others she used to talk very normally. So, he appeared Kezia. His father appeared Kezia so big to that she would compare him with a giant. So Kezia's grandmother wanted that the Kezia should talk to her parents more, and therefore on Sundays afternoons she would send her to drawing room to talk to them where they would be relaxing. So now, one day, when Kezia had a cold, she did not go to school. Her grandmother suggested her to make with her own hands a pincushion as a birthday gift for her father, whose birthday was next week. So, what Kezia did? So, Kezia stitched three sides of the cushion. Then, not finding any scraps to fill it with, she filled it by tearing into small pieces some papers which she found on her mother's bedroom table. Then she completed the pincushion by sewing it fourth side. Later, her father was very angry when he could not find the papers on which he had written the speech to be given to the Port Authority next day. So, when Kezia was asked, she told her father that she had torn up torn up those paper and stuffed the paper in the pincushion she had made. So her father punished her by hitting her hands with a ruler to teach her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. So Kezia was very jealous of the happy family which was living next doors. Mr. MacDonald, his wife have 5 children. Mr. MacDonald was always playing. He used to play with his children when he was free. So they were laughing and enjoying each other's company. That is when Kezia realized that there were different kinds of father. So in the lesson you will see that Kezia compared her father with Mr. MacDonald, their next door neighbor, who have 5 children. And Mr. MacDonald was a loving, gentle, and forgiving father. Whenever she looked at their house, she saw that he was smiling and playing with his children. And MacDonald treated his children in a friendly manner. He was just opposite to Kezia's father. So Kezia's father was just opposite to MacDonald. So, unlike Kezia's father, he never punished his children. He played with them whenever he was free. However, Kezia's father was harsh and a strict father, besides never playing with her. So, Kezia's father was a busy man and never expressed his concern or affection to the little girl who was really scared of him. She was afraid of her father that whenever she communicated with him, very she would become very fearful. So now what happens when Kezia's mother fell ill and had to be hospitalized. So Kezia's grandfather went to look after her mother, leaving Kezia to be looked after by Alice. So, Kezia's grandmother went to look after her, leaving Kezia's to be looked after by Alice, who was the cook. While sleeping one day, Kezia had a frightful nightmare of a butcher who are the meat seller. So, Kezia had a frightful nightmare of a butcher with a knife and rope and woke up crying. So, she woke up crying. To find her father standing there, he took Kezia with her to his room and lay down beside her to give her comfort. So here the tender side of the Kezia's father is shown. He slept off due to being tired. So that is when Kezia realized that he had to work very hard and felt sorry for tearing up his papers. She told him that he had a very big heart. So, students, in the lesson, The Little Girl, the main theme of the story is the relationship between parents and their children. Also, the writer Catherine Mansfield wishes to tell us that the father that children share a very deep bond of love with their parents, even though the young children don't feel that their parents love and care for them. They are strict, and to them many of their parents action appears unfair. Beside, when children grow up, they realize that all the acts of their parents were favorable for them. Below their strictness, like a Liza, below our parents' strictness, lies a heart full of love and care. And most importantly, the bond of love between parents and children have been underlined in the lesson The Little Girl. So that was all about the lesson The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. Thank you.